Today, I'm going to show you how to blend copics. Let's start. As apply, let's start with the first way to blend. Grab your original marker and blend it. Use your zero blending marker and color over it first. Alright, now let's use this in a sketch.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Oh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. 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 Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Alright, I've been working on it the whole day, so let's take a break.